Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on January 20, 2022, 3-star Sudoku. Column E, 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells, we'll confirm later. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 7th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth row and 7th row, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 5. And 7th row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 7th row we have 2. Column I also we have 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 6th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. We'll confirm later. Column H and column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row and 7th row, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Fifth row, only 1 numbers are remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 3. 9th row also we have 3. So 3 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column E and column F, we have 9. 10th row also we have 9. So 9 can't come in these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row, we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come in this cell. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then only 1 numbers are remaining. 1 is confirmed here. Ninth row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come in these cells. It will come any one of the cells. We'll confirm later. Then in this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Ninth row, only two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column I, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column H and column J, we have 8. 8th row also we have 8, so 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I and column J, we have 6. 10th row also we have 6, so 6 can't come in these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column E, only one numbers are remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4 and 7, so 4 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in any one of the cells, we'll confirm later. In this grid, only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 7th row, we have 2 and 6, so 2 and 6 can't come in this cell. It will come in any one of the cells. 3rd row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then only one numbers are remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column B and column C, we have 2. 2nd row and 3rd row also we got 2. So 2 can't come in these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, in this grid also we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Column B also we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column B and column C we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come in these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 4th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column H, only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 4 is confirmed here. In this grid, only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column I, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. In third row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column I, only one numbers are remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Then since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column J, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row we have 1, so 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 7th row, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Column C we have 1, so 1 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. Column B and column C we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column B we have 7, so 7 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.